Hey, my lovely cloudies! Today's video is glow up tips for my beautiful brown girls. Everyone is beautiful and unique. We all have our own beauty, but still, for better version of yourself, I made this video. Hope you enjoy it. This video is divided into 3 parts: self-care, beauty and fashion, confidence. Good skin naturally enhances beauty, so it's essential to have a good skincare routine to maintain clear glowing skin. Cleanser, toner, moisturizer, sunscreen. Don't skip morning and night. Skincare. Choose skincare products according to your skin types. Add face mask and scrub your weekly skincare routine. You don't need to buy expensive face mask and scrub, just follow simple homemade DIY. Easy DIY face mask. Half cup of rice, boil it till the rice is 70–80% cooked. Take the rice and blend it with 4 to 5 spoons of the rice water. Apply this mixture on your face and leave 15 minutes. Easy DIY face scrub. Tablespoon of sugar, half tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, add 4 to 5 drops of lemon juice. Mix well, apply into the wet skin, and gently rub circular motion. Hair care and scalp hygiene play a very important role to your overall outlook and appearance. Frizzy hair and dandruff look cheap and dirty. We all know dandruff are very bad for your scalp, also your skin. Dandruff and oily scalp leads breakouts. Clean your scalp with a gentle anti-dandruff shampoo. If you have dandruff, oil your hair twice a week and massage your scalp for 10 to 30 minutes. Promote growth. Use conditioner to frizz-free hair. Apply it along the hair length. Apply serum when hair 90% dry. Serum lock moisture and protect against sun damage and pollution. We all know brown girls' clear skin is glowing like a sun. It looks so gorgeous and beautiful. Body care also very important to maintain good hygiene. Use gentle soap and body wash for cleansing your body. Scrub your body weekly with DIY body scrub. If you prefer shaving your body, use a 3-blade razor for a smooth finish. If not, that's perfectly acceptable, as body hair doesn't part hygiene. Don't forget to apply moisturizer to moisturize your body. Dark armpits look dirty and feel uncomfortable. That's why armpits care is really important. Exfoliate armpits twice a week. Apply a clay mask twice a week. Moisturize your armpits daily. Use deodorant to help control body odor. Use glycolic acid on your armpits. It's work really well to lighten dark armpits. Also help to control body odor. DIY armpits lightening mask. Use turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon, honey, half tablespoon, milk, half tablespoon. Mix well and apply your armpit. Use 2 to 3 times a week for better result. Regularly clean and trim your nails. Use Vaseline to moisturize nails, cuticles, and apply your favorite nail polish. If you prefer no color, clear nail polish, look clean and elegant. Fashion and beauty. Dressing style can transform your appearance. Wear comfortable light color outfits that fit well and complement your look. Discover your unique style and create various looks. Learn basic makeup skills. Avoid using light foundation for a fair look, as it can appear cheap. Instead, choose a foundation that matches your skin color for a natural appearance and enhanced features. Try different hairstyles for instant new look, and consider a trendy haircut to enhance your natural beauty. Perfume plays a crucial role in smelling pleasant and feel fresh. It's best to use your favorite light-scented perfumes and avoid strong ones, as they can cause headaches. Add some basic jewelry to look beautiful and elegant. Confidence is crucial for your appearance. Without self-belief and self-love, efforts are in vain. Ignore others' opinions about your skin color or looks. Their views do not define you. Focus on developing your personality. As a strong character, suppress others' opinions. Be kind, honest, and grateful to yourself, and practice self-love.